Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela, and in today's video my son wanted to help do the intro, so I'm going to let him take it away.
It's me, Mason Microwave, and I am my mom's kid, and I am deaf and hearing.
What are we going to do today?
We are making ornaments. We got some paint. These colors. And I got this. And we got these. We're gonna decorate them on these ornaments for our tree or something for Christmas. And these paintbrushes.
Are you ready?
Let's head in the video.
For this first ornament, I'm taking a clear bulb and painting it white. This is going to be a Pinterest-inspired paint splatter looking ornament. I got these bulbs from Walmart and I show the box later on in the video. It was $3 for 10 ornaments. You can also get the Dollar Tree DIY ornaments, but you only get 2, so Walmart definitely has the better deal here. Next, I'm taking black paint and only painting the bottom solid. Then I take my brush with very little paint left on it and stroke upwards, leaving those brush strokes. Take this color up as far as you want it. Then I dip my brush in the paint and flick the paint onto the ornament to give that splatter effect. I made a white and red one as well, and here's how it turned out. Very simple. I kept all of these ornaments very simple and easy to recreate. This tree ornament is from the Dollar Tree. I like the shape but not the colors, so I just wanted to change it up a little bit. I used my heat tool to loosen up the glue and remove everything. I sanded off the glue on the wood piece and the glitter off of the metal piece, and then I'm painting the wood part black. I initially painted the metal tree red, but didn't like how it looked with black behind it, so I repainted it white and like how this looks much better. Next, I grabbed a pick from Dollar Tree and added a few sprigs and berries to the top. Here's how the tree turned out. I'm going for a black and white color scheme this year with touches of red throughout. For the snowflakes, I took these wood DIY ornaments from the Dollar Tree and painted them white. Then I took my Sharpie paint marker and drew lines, super simple. I used a ruler to get some of them straight across and perfectly how I wanted. And here's how they turned out. I didn't know what to call these ones, but I just took another clear bulb and some faux snow from the Dollar Tree. Using a funnel, I poured the snow into the ornament. You can use as much or as little snow as you want. Then I took this candy cane ribbon, cut it in half, and covered up the silver topper. Then I added some frosted greenery picks. I made a tiny bow with the same ribbon. I don't know why, but this bow was taking me so long to make. My fingers did not want to work. Here's how this one turned out. I also made another one with different greenery and a jute twine bow. For this next one, I took more of those wooden ornaments from Dollar Tree and some wrapping paper from Walmart. I cut the paper down to the size I needed and then glued it to the ornaments. Then I took my X-Acto knife and flipped the ornaments over so I could cut off the excess paper. And here's how this one looks. This next one uses another clear bulb and some small berries from a Dollar Tree pick. I cut the berries off and just stuck them into the ornament. Then I just added a baker's twine bow. Again, this is super simple. And here's how this one looks. I also made one with white berries and added a few greenery sprigs inside. For the last ornament, I took another clear bulb and painted it black. Then I took this berry garland from the Dollar Tree and wrapped it around, gluing it in a few different places to make it stay. And here's how these ones look. One with the white garland and one with red. I love how all of these turned out and how simple they were to make. Let me know which one was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you'll have to let me know in the comments which one of these ornaments was your favorites. I love them all, and I think they're going to look so great on my tree this year. See you next time.